Keep that light bounce, knees soft, core tall. Good, arms relaxed right by your side. Swing with
You're gonna pull it down. Keep it low, right around the waist. Fingertips, not your palm, soft touch.
Let's work on those throwing skills. Keep your eyes on the ball, soft hands. Start with an easy toss straight up, catch. Think fingertips, not force. Guide the energy, don't grab it. Blue on the right, red on the left. Keep them still.
Pump those arms. Drive the knees up. Quick feet, light on the toes. Keep the core tall, shoulders relaxed.
Can't catch me! Too slow. Sink into that athletic stance. Knees together, hips back, chest tall. All right, team, get your hands up, everyone.